today I'm gonna be showing you how to make one cool intro with the shine effect, which is a plugin which you have to buy. So watch. Whoops. And we destroy it, and then we have a blast it down, and the solid is vanishing. So let us do this tutorial quickly because I don't have so much time. So I'm gonna make a new composition. I name it tutorial and make it whatever color you want. Go to effect, layer, new solid. So make it a comp size, and okay, let me just name it background. So we're going to go to the effect ramp. Where the come on. So ramp, and we go to radial ramp. Then we make the end color, we make it gray, kind of a light gray, not so dark, something like, yeah, something like this. So yeah, this is what we want. And then we go to CC light rays, and you just put this in the middle, you understand? Just put this in the middle, so you can play a bit with intensity. Actually, we have to make this a little bit lighter. Oops, like that. So while when I'm putting the CC lights, the CC light rays, I just wanna, you see this kind of a metal ground here. I'm just trying to get this effect. Oops, just like that. So now, while we have this, we're gonna make a new text solid, text layer. So grab the text tool and start writing. Okay, I wrote my name, and I'm just now going to come here and just center it. Yeah, okay. So now bird for hero, blah 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 blah. So next thing you're gonna do is go to shine. So we got this pretty cool effect. You can actually change the color by going to colorize, and you can actually choose one from the ready presets, or choose one color, 3 color gradient, 5 color gradient, and just choose whatever you want. If I choose, for example, 1 color gradient and 1 color, make it kind of a blue. Okay, I'm just going to go to 3 color gradient. The shadows will be kind of yeah, like that, and the highlights, no, so it will look like with green. Okay, just cool. Yeah. So what am I going to do now is, what am I doing here is just, well, I'm moving this, you see this, so this is what we want to put keyframes on. So I'm just gonna go really far away, and then I'm just gonna put this somewhere really far, so we cannot mention that there's anything in the solid actually. Very finished. Okay. So here it is. So actually no, I'm just gonna turn, okay, put it somewhere like this. Then you go to the text, yeah, text, no, transform, and I'm going to make an opacity keyframe, and the first keyframe will be 0. So in about 2 seconds it will be again 0, and the next 2 keyframes and it will be 100%. So we have this animation too now, just coming text, or I can make it a bit of a cooler. Yeah, that's better. So now what we're going to do, go to the effect, and let me just find it again. Here it is. So I go to source point, and so we've got a keyframe just right. See, you have to synchronize these keyframes. So somewhere just here, yeah, or the next 3 or 4 frames, like that. So we're gonna make the same position, and for about the 5th second we're just gonna move it, just fit it, see how it's looking. So here, yeah, you just enter it, so it can be like this. So what we have, yes, but we can make it a bit like so. Then move some forward, go to here, then move again forward, maybe to here, then move forward once again, move to here, and then on the 10 seconds I'm just gonna put it like that, some kind of like that. Then go here to 0, you see it just bends it. So let me just make it 4 again. Okay, so now what we're going to do is go to here, ray length, make a keyframe. So like this, and the next key. So from here on, for example, to here, it will be 0. So let's see what we have now. We have a bit of a slow render. Oops, let me just make it an auto. So what do we have? Okay, the animation is pretty fast. So let me just make some order here. I'm just gonna, sorry about that. I'm just gonna put these keyframes some in front. So what am I wanting to do is put some space between these keyframes here. So for example, yeah, like that. Okay, let's see now how it looks. Okay, let's see now. We're going, the text appears. Okay, so where do we have the fast? Here. So we have to put these keyframes are good. So like that, and this keyframe will be kind of more space for it. Let's see now. That's really cool. It happened really cool. So this key, okay, I think that is good. So this keyframes has to be somewhere here. So it's the final position is like that. We can add a kind of a glow just here. Okay, but if I add it here, it won't look really cool. As you can see, it's not really cool, but here it's cool. So what am I going to do is radius. If I put it to 0, it's kind of a, we don't have glow. It's kind of a, no, we have maybe the intensity. Okay, now it's like we don't have glow. So we have 1 here, we've got 10 here. Sure about it. So now what am I going to do is simply go ahead and do keyframes for the glow too. So now what am I going to do now is go to the glow here, and then we've got glow intensity. We want the glow intensity to start from here. So it will be glow intensity keyframe. So yeah, like that. Now we have glow for just about 2 or 3 seconds, and then we'll turn it off. So we're kind of almost ready with the adjustment first. So we have now, so we're gonna add CC scatterize to the text. So yeah, like that. Actually nothing happens when we do it. So for example, we say from here we will have the broken text. So first of all, I'm just gonna turn off the glow. So here, just like here. Yeah. Then when we go here, go ahead to CC scatterize. If you go to scatter, you see it's pretty cool looking, and then you can just turn it back, put it on 0. So now you go to CC scatterize and scatter. So we're gonna make a keyframe. We have glow and here register it. So on the, for example, to 25 seconds, we'll have to 100. So it looks like that. Destroy it, and it's kind of going. For example, let's do it to the 30 seconds. And it's kind of a going. And the last thing we have to make is while it is going, for example, somewhere here to get to a black screen. So turn off the opacity. So to do this, mark the 2 of them, the 2 solids we've got, and hit T for opacity, and so hit the keyframes on both. So we make a keyframe. Let me just make a keyframe here too, and to here, for example, let's make it just 0. So yeah, that's all we have. So booms. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hoped I help you make one good intro and impress your friends and some kind of that stuff. Don't forget to subscribe if you liked it, comment and like the video. So thanks once again, and see you in my next video. Bye.